Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. This is Angelo's newest listing, now priced at $790,000, marking a $39,000 reduction from its original price of $829,000. It features a 2-story home with 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car tandem garage, totaling 3,824 square feet. Remarkably, this property is listed at just $207 per square foot, offering excellent value. Embrace this open-concept floor plan home located in a gated neighborhood in Skye Canyon with no SIDS or lids. This is your chance to own a primary bedroom with an en-suite spa shower bathroom downstairs. This home features 5 spacious bedrooms, .5 bathrooms, a loft game room, and a den. The great room boasts an open to below, offering a spacious feel. Additionally, enjoy a beautifully upgraded kitchen with quartz countertops and white cabinetry. Upgraded flooring with 7.5-inch baseboards, 8-foot doors, walk-in closets, plantation shutters throughout, and a 3-car tandem garage. This home also provides access to community amenities such as a pool, parks, a fitness center, clubhouse, splash pads, and playgrounds. To tour this home, contact Angelo at 725-287-5242. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up to stay updated on Angelo's latest listings and home tours. Thank you for watching.